All right, we have an outlet here, and the person installing the sheetrock miscut the sheetrock. It leaves a gap right here. The quick fix here would be simply take the cover off. Grab a Goof Patch. Outline's already pre-cut. Edges with the uneven edging and the texture, it'll help it blend in. Simply peel it off. Line it up over the top. And then press it on. You just want to press on the outside edges. You could paint right there, wait for it to dry. Put the cover on. And it's done. This will work for light switches or cable, internet, any type of wall element.